Suzuki SX4 Sedan, created by the same Suzuki team that won European acclaim with the Suzuki Swift. The SX4 Sedan joins the dynamic XL7 midsize crossover SUV, award-winning SX4 compact sport crossover and media-acclaimed Grand Era as an iconic vehicle that embodies the future direction of the Suzuki brand and the company's way of life spirit. Its poised for action wedge-shaped stance, muscular arched fenders and standard 17-inch alloy wheels all reflect the vehicle's eagerness to provide a spirited and responsive driving experience. The SX4 Sedan will be one of the best-equipped compact cars in America and will perfectly complement our lineup of versatile vehicles, said Koichi Suzuki, president of ASMC Automotive Operations. Since New York has been home to so many of our significant vehicle introductions, we're delighted to return and kick off the second quarter of 2007 with the launch of Suzuki's latest exciting product. The SX4 Sedan arrives on the heels of an impressive 2006, when American Suzuki enjoyed sales of more than 100,000 vehicles for the first time in its 22-year history. Last year's automotive sales were up 23% from 2005 and mark the company's third consecutive double-digit annual sales increase. Powertrain built in Japan, the SX4 Sedan features a sophisticated 2.0-liter, inline four-cylinder, 16-valve VOHC engine rated at 143 horsepower and 136 pounds-feet of torque, making it more powerful than the segment volume leaders. It is available with either an automatic or a 5-speed manual transmission. Suzuki SX4 Sedan 2008 Suzuki SX4 Sedan handling the chassis of the SX4 Sedan evolved from the award-winning Suzuki Swift that received numerous industry accolades worldwide, including many Car of the Year awards in Europe and Asia. With an emphasis on dynamic performance, the sport-tuned SX4 Sedan brings the excitement of the Swift to the U.S. market. The SX4 Sedan features the rigid steel unibody underpinned by a well-controlled chassis that was fine-tuned in Europe to provide stability, crisp and responsive handling and braking, and minimal body roll. For optimal braking performance, it features 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes as standard equipment. Exterior styling inspired by a Japanese kabuki mask, the SX4 Sedan has an aggressive front fascia and grille, and appears poised for action with a sporty wedge shape that foreshadows its rewarding driving experience. Its muscular and athletic stance is enhanced by its arched fenders, while the body features a low, rising waistline and large, triangular-shaped windows forward of the front doors to emphasize the car's great traction and dynamic performance. The SX4 Sedan also features a standard aero body kit, complete with an available rear spoiler. Interior: the stylish design continues inside the SX4 Sedan. Wide door openings provide the driver and passengers with superior ease of entry and egress, while the large cabin proportions and command seating position optimize visibility to enhance driving confidence and control. The cabin allows comfortable seating for 5, with more overall interior space than the segment's volume leaders. The SX4 Sedan also features theater-style seating for the rear passengers. A functional and high-tech center panel offers large, circular controls flanked by modern aluminum-colored trim. Instruments and controls are backlit by contemporary, high-tech red lighting, and the ergonomic design of the instrument cluster and dashboard provides clear views of the meter and easy access to the controls for a true driver-oriented cabin. The sporty cockpit theme extends throughout the cabin with a dark interior that features black cloth for a look that is both sharp and refined. The sedan's handsome integrated center stack also houses a sophisticated audio system, standard AM/FM/MP3/CD with 4 speakers. The system is XM satellite radio ready and offers an available premium sound system, featuring 9 speakers and in-dash 6-disc CD changer. Safety consistent with Suzuki's philosophy of both fun and safe driving, the SX4 Sedan offers an extensive array of standard safety features, including 4-wheel disc brakes with an anti-lock brake system with electronic brake force distribution (EBD). Passive safety equipment includes a reinforced body with front and rear crush zones designed to help absorb impact energy and 6 standard airbags. Driver and front passenger airbags. Driver and front passenger seat mounted side impact airbags. And side curtain airbags designed to provide additional protection for outboard front and rear seat passengers. In addition, the SX4 Sedan is fitted with front 3-point seat belts with pretensioners and 4-limiters, 3-point inertia rear seat belts and ISOFIX compliant child seat anchors.